If your SI joint hurts while sitting in a car, it may be due to stiffness in your hips, pelvis, and low back, as well as muscle inactivity surrounding the joints, which then causes discomfort. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 exercises you can perform to improve mobility and stability in your SI joint, thus reducing SI joint pain. All right, let's get started. So the first exercise we want to perform is a standing back bend. What you want to do is stand up straight with good posture, get your feet shoulder width apart, put your hands behind your back, and then just bend back. And by doing this, you're loosening up the low back as well as the hip and pelvis. You want to perform this 2 sets of 10. Repetition reaps reward. Just go as far back as you can and come right back up to a standing position. Now, if you notice any discomfort down your legs, you want to stop, reassess, and then go back, but not as far. Okay, we want to knock on the door of discomfort while stretching, not push through it. The next exercise we're going to perform is the hip flexion stretch. So I'm going to kneel down, bring one foot in front, your knee back, support yourself on your knee, and then lean forward. And you're going to feel a nice stretch in the hip flexors. Now this is very important because when you're sitting in a car for long periods of time, your hip flexors get very tight. And you really want to stretch this out. So you want to hold for 20 to 30 seconds 3 times. And don't forget to perform on the other side. The last exercise you want to perform are the mini lunges. You want to stand up, bring one foot in front of the other, and come down on the supporting leg and back up. This helps strengthen the muscles supporting your hip. It's going to target the front of the muscle as well as the side of the muscle. Let me show you on the other side. Supporting leg, coming down, putting the pressure on this leg. You're strengthening the front as well as the sides, the glutes that help support your hip and pelvis. You want to perform that 2 to 3 sets of 10. And if you're noticing any knee pain, just don't go down as far. So let's recap quickly. That first exercise, the standing back bends, that's going to improve your back extension and flexibility because when you're sitting in a car, you really can't move back any more than the seat allows. The second exercise, the hip flexor stretch, that's really going to help stretch these muscles here, which are so tight in the car. So you have to realize you can't be sitting for hours and hours without having these muscles tighten up, causing that SI joint pain. That's why it's very important to get out of the car at least every 60 minutes and perform these exercises. And the last exercise, the mini lunges, that's going to help strengthen all the muscles surrounding the hip, pelvis, and SI joint, as well as the low back joint. And by strengthening those, you're going to have better stability once you get out of the car and put weight on your hips, pelvis, and SI joint. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please let me know in the comments below. How long can you sit in a car before your SI joint pain begins? If you enjoyed this video, please like it, subscribe, and share with someone who can benefit from it. I look forward to working with you in the next one.